10 fun things for kids to do in Charleston, South Carolina. Welcome to Charleston, South Carolina, a city packed with fun for kids and families. Let's explore 10 amazing things to do with your little ones in this charming southern gem. Number 1. Visit the South Carolina Aquarium. Dive into underwater adventures at the South Carolina Aquarium. Kids will love meeting animals like sea turtles, alligators, and even sharks. Number 2. Explore Waterfront Park. Take a stroll through Waterfront Park. Kids can cool off in the fountains, enjoy a picnic, or just soak in the stunning harbor views. Number 3. Take a pirate tour. Actors dressed as pirates lead kids on a lively tour of Charleston's harbor. Ahoy, mateys! Set sail on a pirate adventure. These tours mix history and fun as kids learn about Charleston's pirate past. Number 4. Go wild at the Charleston County Parks. Charleston parks have it all: playgrounds, nature trails, splash pads, and even ropes courses for the adventurous. Number 5. Ride the Charleston Water Taxi. Hop aboard the Charleston Water Taxi for a fun and affordable way to see the city, and maybe even spot some dolphins. Number 6. Discover history at Charlestown Landing. Step back in time at Charlestown Landing. This historic park has a ship to explore, a zoo with native animals, and plenty of trails to wander. Number 7. Tour Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. Magnolia Plantation is perfect for families. Explore the gardens, take a boat ride, or visit the petting zoo. Number 8. Play at the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry. Unleash creativity at the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry. It's a magical place where kids can learn through play. Number 9. Go crabbing or fishing. Try your hand at crabbing or fishing. It's a classic low-country experience that's both fun and educational. Number 10. Take a carriage ride through historic Charleston. End your adventure with a horse-drawn carriage ride through Charleston's historic streets. It's a relaxing way to take in the city's charm. If you like this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe. From history to outdoor fun, Charleston has something for every family. Plan your trip today and create memories that will last a lifetime. Discover Charleston. Visit Charleston